Newark is the first area in Nottinghamshire to see a row of modular homes. Now, these houses are constructed inside a factory, meaning they can be built within 2 to 3 weeks instead of months. On site, the ground floor and the first floor are placed together. Inside, the kitchens and the bathrooms are ready fitted, meaning they are ready to be moved into quite soon. Alice Scarf's got more.
Notts needs tens of thousands of new homes. Across England, up to 340,000 need to be built every year to cope with what's being called a housing crisis. That's according to Parliament documents. Sustainable homes that are quick to build like these ones could be part of the solution.
The government says that we need to be building about 300,000 houses a year. We haven't got near that since about the 1950s. So what you see there is an awful lot of people who are living in very expensive but not very good rented accommodation, who would like to get on the property ladder but simply can't do it. It's just too expensive. What's going to go on behind us here over the next few days, it's a first for Nottinghamshire, and it's one of the first in the country. You're talking about houses, rather than being built over maybe 9 months on site, they're built in a matter of weeks in a factory. So when these houses arrive, they very, very quickly emerge. So 9 houses behind us here. By this time next week, all 9 houses will be in. And when we say in, the bathrooms are done, the kitchens are done, the walls are painted, the electrics, the plumbing, all completely done. All we have to do then is put the gardens down, put some patios down, finish off the roadway, and people can move in.
The way the houses are constructed is very different to a traditional build. Because they're made in a factory, they're quick to install and closer to being carbon neutral.
From foundations as we are today, to complete a home will take a matter of 2 to 3 weeks, so a much quicker build time than you would do with a traditional build. The homes are also very well insulated, so they're much lower heating bills, and these homes that we're delivering here today are zero carbon homes, so they're very much the homes of the future. The people who are buying these homes that have low energy bills, highly insulated, warm, comfortable homes. They've also got quite high floor to ceiling heights, so and quite large windows going out, large patio doors out into the garden, so quite light, bright, airy, really nice place to live. The homes are designed to be very, very strong, so they'll be lifted, as you'll see, into place. So they're built from a galvanised steel frame, which is built to last, and fully accredited and warranted. So these homes are extremely strong and robust and durable, and designed to last a very long time.
Local kids came from Fernwood Nursery to visit the new homes that one day they might call a home. The first will be ready in just days. Alice Scarf for Notts TV.